Yes, this is another tutorial and I'm super excited for this one. In the year 2025, I'd rate this one of the cutest style I've done. We're going to be making use of extension from Ywigs. We're going to be using their feather crochet to make this hairstyle. In case you don't know, I've done a couple of feather crochet hairstyles and this one is going to be in form of Fulani braids and then the crochet. I won't be doing it myself. I went to a salon to get the front done and do the back myself, but then I had a change of mind and decided to do everything over there. For this style, I made use of only 4 packs. After this, I took down the hair and then did another style with the crochet. I did a full head of crochet with it and it came out beautiful. For this one, you don't really need a lot if you're going to follow this exact style. That's why I'm telling you, you should make use of only 4 packs. But if you want a full head and not this style, just get yourself 5 packs of extensions. For the front cornrow part, we made use of kinky to make it look better. Okay, if you don't want that, you can skip the adding extension and just weave the front of your hair. She definitely used a lot of edge control on this hairstyle because we wanted the parts to come out amazing and clean. If you're going to be making this hairstyle, please do well to wash your hair because you don't want your scalp to look dirty, or you know, if you have dandruff, you really need to care for your hair before doing this because they'll apply edge control, and if your hair is dirty, you know, everything is just going to collide and look messy. So do ensure your hair is clean. This hairstyle took us only 2 hours to make. I also washed my hair before I did this, so this is one of those quick hairstyles you can try. You can try it this Christmas or anytime you please. I've been loving the feather crochet. I've tried different textures and lengths. I'm telling you right now, you need to get a feather crochet. You can reuse it because it's 100% human hair, so you don't need to be scared of it matting up or, you know, tangling, because all you need is water and leave-in conditioner or water and mousse. Most of the time I just make use of only water. As I mentioned before, you can reuse this, but then you need to be careful while taking it down. If not, it can be a bit difficult to lose. Now, to lose this hairstyle, I tried removing it the regular way, but it was so difficult. But then what I had to do was to lose the cornrow under. So as I was losing the cornrow, crochet were sliding off. So that's exactly how you take this hairstyle down. As I said, how to take it down: just take down the cornrow, trace the pattern at the back, and then start losing it. It's going to go out, you know, while you're losing your cornrows. These crochet can last for 3 months. As I said, it's human hair. You can reuse it. Just make sure you're not making something super tight, so it's going to be easy to take down. And on your days of takedown, make sure you wet the hair for everything to slide off easily. For this hairstyle, the part that took longer time was the front part, because, you know, she had to do stitch braids and ensure the cornrow came out clean. But then to do the back, it's very easy. You could do it yourself. I wanted to do it myself, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, but she had to help me do it. At this point, everything was coming together. I loved this style so much. I didn't intend on carrying it for a long time, but then I did carry it for like 2 weeks because I really liked the style, and I must say this mousse really helped with the edges. Okay, so if you're scared that the edge control would turn white, please at the end of the hairstyle just use mousse on your, let's say, your scalp, on the braids, and it's going to help tame that. So initially I wanted to leave the curls like that, but then I decided to use water. I told her to use water and leave-in conditioner to define the curls, and it came out nice regardless. I also went ahead to trim off some excess for the entire hair to be the same length. I also did my edges. I wouldn't do any hairstyle without doing my edges. That's like my, let's say, secret weapon. I really love doing my edges. As I said, I love this style. Do let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this. For real, tell me if you're going to try it. Save and share this hairstyle. If you know a friend who likes this kind of style, please do well to share it to them. I know the festive period is coming up and a lot of people are looking for styles to do. So be of help and share this video to them. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. More details about the hair in my description box. Bye.